Hi, this is Chad from Reichhardt, walking through a few settings for tuning green fit on a Gen 6 Fendt 900 series tractor. If you have older software, there is no specific vehicle code for a newer generation 900 series Fendt, so this will walk you through some of the tuning that we would do to get the optimal performance per our in-field testing from this spring. First and foremost, we'll want to put in a vehicle code. And the vehicle code that we want to use for the Fendt 900 is in fact the vehicle code for the Fendt 1000, which is going to be a 4162. Now, if it's a new system, it's already in there by default, but what we recommend is going in and just overwriting a value and then saving it. And that will set everything to default settings. At this point, if you have older software, you may not have access to this menu, but if you have newer current software, it's recommended to go into the angle sensor calibration menu and do a actual calibration of left, middle, and right. After that, you want to enter in the offset menu. And for the E echo offset, we're going to change it from the default value and we're going to lower it down to 75 inches. The lower the number, the more aggressive it will line acquire, and if it's set too low, it can be overly aggressive. This is a bit of a balance point. If it is far too snappy, you could of course bump this up a little bit. And then go ahead and save this. The next icon is our turning radius. We'll want to go into here and we'll want to change these as well. And what we found is a turning radius of 20 feet. I don't know the exact value in metric, but this is where you'd want to put these numbers at if you have imperial values. Go ahead and save that. And that's it for green fit settings. Of course, you'll want to exit out to the main screen so you can run the guidance. And then in addition to these settings, there are some settings in the Green Star system. As you can see here, I have a simulator pulled up with some AutoTrack advanced slider settings. I've already made the adjustments here, but what we have found as a good start point for tuning has been putting our line sensitivity tracking at 110, line sensitivity heading at 70, heading lead at 115, steering response rate at 130, acquire sensitivity at 65, and curve sensitivity at 100.